The Hive creates a really exciting space in the school. Girls learn on the school are now looking forward to being in the upper sixth where they'll get to use that space.
We wanted to create a space within the boarding house for the day girls that we have and make sure that they have a bespoke space where they can call home, and that can be the central point of their life in the upper sixth year, which is really important for them when they're doing their A-levels.
When I first saw it, I was really shocked, but I was shocked in a good way because I didn't know what to expect. We've all got desks, and then there's a space where we can be quieter.
It needed to be quite a versatile space where they could relax.
The breakfast bar and kitchenette space is a really important aspect of it because we didn't want it to just be a classroom, we didn't want it to just be a library. It was really important that the girls could make drinks, get food and own that space.
It's just a different atmosphere to the rest of the school.
Having that desk space and bespoke different study areas for different types of tasks has worked well for them.
Whilst it is a working environment, it's also a nice place to be in.
They've really appreciated the design of it. It was a collaborative process that meant that there was two-way communication and we could really tell them what we needed.
During the day, during study times, it's really nice because it's focused and it's quiet.
The girls want to be there, they enjoy being there, and it's working. The girls are learning and doing what we want them to do. Working with Envoplan was a really positive experience. It was a collaborative experience and there was really good two-way communication.
The girls were really impressed when they arrived back in September. They really liked the finish, they liked the feel of it. I think they felt really professional and like a university study space.
We have really specific needs at a school like this and we wanted to make it clear to them that it wasn't going to be a generic workspace. We wanted it to have the optionality and the flexibility of a space to respond to the needs we have at this school. We think they did that, did it really well. The fit and finishes are excellent. It's really allowed the girls to seek that independence and to go when they wanted to, and I think that relationship with Envoplan really helped that. I do think that the success of the space partly comes down to the ease of the relationship working with Envoplan. I would recommend working with Envoplan. The process just seems really easy. It was simple, it was effective, and we got what we wanted. It's had a really good impact from the pupils, which is the most important thing. We feel as though if we were to work with them in the future, they understand our needs and they can respond to our needs. It'd be really exciting to see what else we could do with Envoplan.